In one of my last message, I spoke about that not everything that it sounds good is biblical. Like for example, we Christians don't do back to sender. We don't do such thing as back to sender. The Bible tells us to which we love our enemies, pray for them. Even though we don't just love those who love us, so we don't do such things as back to sender. Even those who are wishing us bad, we wish them good, because we are people of love. So we don't do such things as back to sender. That's the message I wanted to advise to Christians. We Christians don't do such thing back to sender. The Bible reminds us that we do not battle the flesh and blood, but we're battling the evil spirits. So even if your brother or your sister is fighting you, it's not the one who's fighting you, but the spirit, the best spirit that is actually entered him, that's actually you being the one that's attacking you. So what we do, we pray for them to be delivered, to be set free, to be able to be drawn close to God. So we Christians do not do back to sender. We pray for people to be able to be set free from the bondage of the bad spirit. So we don't do such things as back to sender, we Christians. So be careful of such messages. Be careful. Most of the time when it's being preached, it sounds right, but it's not biblical. We do not do back to sender. We pray for our enemies to be saved so they can come close to God. That's what we are built to do.